Alright, hey everyone. We have the CN396, the M396. It should be track 2, but I don't know why. It's usually be 1, but 2 it is. Sure beats the standard 2CN, and with the BC rail in there, that's a little bit better. It's raining out, so I'm kind of taking a little different cover here, and the sun's going down. According to the weather app, it's sunny right now. I haven't seen the sun since I've been here for about 5 hours. Sun was up, sun was out when I was getting ready to head out today, and then as soon as I was getting outside, it was gone. It's supposed to be raining right now, originally, but it says it's sunny out. This is the first train coming from the States since I've been here all day. This train has been the only one that was sitting in the yard all day long. There's 2 more in the yard over there right now, but they went from over here to over there, from Ontario to Michigan. And then this train's been sitting there all day. I take that back. The train that was sitting over there when I first got here actually went down the Locomotives Sub, so I stand corrected. This one must have pulled into the yard a while ago, because it has been sitting on track 3 for a little bit anyway. This isn't going to be a big train, because usually when it disappears off the ATCS, it's coming up the hill. And this one took about 2 minutes after it disappeared, so it's not going to be a big train, and I think I already see the end of it, so. Short train for 4 locomotives. Hoping for at least 5 or 6 trains by now, but another really slow day. If you want a lot of trains here in Sarnia, you have to come at night. So the trains really start picking up. It's usually after 8 o'clock and really pick up after 12 o'clock. And they just pretty much run constant all night. And there's our end.